You're over 40. You want to build strong legs? Hell yes you do. You know why? Because the last thing, listen, come closer. The last thing you want to do is look like a Big Mac on 2 French fries. Look like an orange on 2 toothpicks, all right? You do not want that. You don't want to be the guy who skipped leg day. I actually saw a guy at the airport the other day. He looked like an upside down triangle. My first thought, pathetic. Do not skip leg day. I actually wanted to help the guy out and send him to my videos on my YouTube page. I did not know. I left him alone, all right? But anyway, you want to build strong legs, especially if you're over 40, I have the exercises for you. Now, we're not going to rely on the traditional leg exercises. A lot of guys, when they're 40 years old, they think, hey, I'm going to go to the gym. I've got to build my legs up. I'm going to pound back squats. If you've been sedentary for 5 or 10 years, if you can't do an air squat, by air squat, I'm talking these. You know, a lot of people squat like this. This is you. Do not get under a barbell and back squat. You will blow your back right out, and not blow your back out in a good way, if you know what I'm talking about. I actually shouldn't say that in case kids are watching this, but do not get under a barbell. Do something else. So the exercises I'm going to give you for legs are exercises that are safe and functional. The first one we're going to do is a simple goblet squat. You're going to take a dumbbell or a kettlebell if you like. You're going to put it under your chin. This is going to help keep you nice and upright. You're going to activate your core. Your feet are going to be turned slightly out. You're going to squat down 2 parallel. You're going to pause and come back up. And here's the beauty of this. You can start by practicing light form, but as you get heavier, if this weight gets heavy, it drops and you're safe. Do you know what happens if you get a barbell on your back? You will break your back. So goblet squats, incredible exercise. If you're just starting out, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps of these goes an incredibly long way. The next exercise, just a standard deadlift. No. I know. You've watched my videos before, but Bobby Maximus, you told me that I shouldn't deadlift. That is not what I said. Open your ears, put your listening ears on. I have a kindergartner at home. That's what we say. I want you to lock in, all right? My 17-year-old, he says that. I don't want you deadlifting heavy. I don't want you getting off the couch and trying to pick up a weight that you can't lift and blowing your back up. I want you to lift light and practice form. If you deadlift light, it's actually one of the best exercises there is. You're going to approach the barbell. You're going to put your shins against the barbell. You're going to reach down. You're going to grab the bar, double overhand grip. Might as well work your grip. You're going to look forward. Your back's going to have a nice arch. Not arched like that. That's rounded. I want flat or arched like that. Your shoulder blades are going to be back. Breathe and brace. You're going to tighten those abs up. You're going to stand up, flex your shoulder blades together. You're going to put it down just like you picked it up. This exercise can be incredibly effective, and I talked about this in another video. You want a good set and rep structure for this? 3 sets of 20. Make it that light and just grease the neurological groove. Practice form. This is 135. This is light for me. I can deadlift 600 pounds, all right? So this is really, really light, but if you're just starting out, don't have an ego. You're over 40. Start with 75, 85, 95 pounds. And guess what, guys? You're thinking, Bobby, I'm 22 watching this video. I saw you fight in the UFC. You seem like a big, strong guy. I wanted to learn. What's the advice for me? Same advice. Have a form-first mentality. I know a lot of younger guys, and I fell into this camp that just wants to push weight and push your ego. That's a #1 way to either get hurt then or set yourself up for disaster in your 40s, all right? So do not have an ego. Next exercise, it's like the deadlift. It's the RDL. I'm going to grab a kettlebell for this one. All right, it's super light. I'm not interested in like having a contest with everybody. I'm going to go over to this pole. You're going to stand in front of the pole. You're going to come to the side of me, all right? Your knees are going to be slightly bent. Your feet are going to be roughly hip-width apart. You're going to arch your back, and you're going to lower this to the ground, not by squatting, by just sticking your butt back and trying to touch that pole. Just touched it. I can really feel the hamstrings activating. Again, Hips back, weights on my heels till the butt hits the pole. If it hits the pole, step out just a touch to force that range of motion. If you do that, you will have a strong posterior chain, you will have a strong hamstrings, you will have a strong low back, you will be more injury free. And like I said, you've got to work that posterior chain. A lot of guys don't work those exercises. And then what happens when you go to sprint? What happens when you go to play? What happens when you go to move? You blow a hamstring, and trust me, you do not want that. Now, I realized we did the goblet squat. We'll call that quads and core. We did the deadlift and we did the RDL. We'll call that posterior chain. We got to go back to the quads and the core a little bit. One of my favorite exercises, and yes, Bobby Maximus, how do I train with you? You're the best trainer in the world. I love your YouTube videos. I want to train with you every single day. Well, I have the solution, and it's called Team Maximus on the Ladder app. The best fitness app on the planet and the best program on the planet. It's right here. Now, what do you get with the Ladder app? Two things I want to talk about. One, you get me in your ear every single workout. You get one-on-one coaching. It's like I'm in the room with you. That's number one. Number two, you get access to a great community, the best community in the world of like-minded people who are driven to succeed just like you are. This program, you can get it for under $30 a month. The workouts can be done in 40 minutes or less, and you need minimal equipment. It literally is the secret that you've been missing. And it's actually not even a secret. You know me. I hate hacks. I hate gimmicks. I hate 3 easy payments of $9.99. So if you're tired of the garbage in the fitness industry, you're tired of spinning your wheels, you're tired of living a second-rate existence, and you're ready to do this for real, you're ready to transform your body, you're ready to build muscle, you're ready to lose weight with one of the best coaches in the world, then sign up for the Ladder app today, and I'll see you there for your first workout. You've seen it a million times on my videos, but I am not just trying to sell you different information. I stick to my guns. I will die on this hill. One of the best exercises for legs is the dumbbell front squat. Weights up, squat down nice and low to parallel, and stand up. Again, just like the goblet squat, if you pitch forward, you just drop the weights, but this also works your core, not just your legs. Legs aren't just here. You got to work all this. This is the epicenter of athleticism. You want to be good at football, you need this. Good at football. Sorry, I said football. What am I talking about? Basketball, you need this. Hockey, you need this. Pickleball, or whatever people play, guess what? You need this too. So dumbbell front squats. And the final one, do not shut off the video. Everybody's favorite. You know, it's from Eastern Europe. If an exercise, by the way, has an Eastern European name, you know it is nasty. The Bulgarian split squat. You know why guys don't do these? You can't use a lot of weight, and it's humiliating. Try to catch your balance. You're some 45-year-old divorcee at the gym, and you're in front of some cute girl, and you don't want to look like a fool. Who cares? She's not going to date you anyway, by the way. But put your foot on a plate. We're going to do some Bulgarian split squats. I'm on a roll today, by the way. Don't take anything I say as an insult or take it personally, all right? I'm just trying to get you to open your ears up and listen. But the Bulgarian split squat's one of the best leg exercises ever. And again, guys don't do this because it does train balance. It does train proprioception. It does train mobility. And people struggle with it, and they look like a fool when they first start. You're going to put your foot on a plate to increase the range of motion. Your back foot on a bench. You're going to lower yourself nice and low. Look at that. See that sultry look? Look at that stretch. Nice big stretch, body upright and proud. You're going to come back up. What you do with the right, you've got to do with the left. Normally when I do these, I'll do like 3 sets of 10 on each leg. All right, so I'll line up. Just that. 1, 2, 3. Now, Bobby, I don't have the balance for that. Okay, here you go. I have PVC, polyvinyl chloride, for you science nerds. In my gym, you can hold this as a balance, all right? But you could also move this whole I call it the contraption, the plate and the bench. You could hold it next to a pole, and you could give yourself some support like that. That would be absolutely fine. The point is, I would start doing these. If those are too much, here's your substitution. The reverse lunge. Ready? That will start teaching you to do the Bulgarian split squat. And here's another good thing. Single leg tasks. Now, I'm not saying you're 45 years old. You ain't playing in the NFL. You ain't playing in the NBA. You're probably not fighting in the UFC, although I did at 44 years old. You might not even be competing. I still compete in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. You might not be doing that. But a lot of guys do that. Really impressive, by the way. I really, really applaud anybody that has the courage to compete and put themselves out there. But let's look at regular life things. You need to move some furniture, it's single leg strength. You need to get something up and down stairs, single leg strength. You need to play with your kids, single leg strength. You need to play a sport, single leg strength. So don't neglect the single leg stuff. If you can't do Bulgarians, don't just be like, well, I guess I'm just going to settle for the leg press. Make sure you do your reverse lunges. So there you have it. There's your 5 exercises. I almost can't even remember what I told you, but I actually can because they're always the same. We got the Bulgarian split squats. We have the goblet squat. We have the deadlifts. We have the Romanian deadlifts. They are different. That's a little more strength. This is a little more structural, right, and isolated. And then we have one of my favorites of all time that you can do anywhere with a set of dumbbells, the dumbbell front squat. There you have it. 5 exercises. Now, I know this is simple. Maybe you logged into this video. Maybe you were like, oh my God, I'm going to learn some exercises you've never seen. The classics, the basics work best. That's the real secret, all right? You want to know how somebody gets good at shooting a basketball? By shooting a basketball. You want to know how somebody gets good at jumping? By actually jumping. People always look for 500 new ways to reinvent the wheel. Trust me, stick to the basics, stick to the classics, and they will help. A little bit of a exercise recommendation for you for leg day. 3 sets of 20 deadlifts. 3 sets of 12 to 15 RDLs, 3 sets of, I'm going to say, 8 to 10 dumbbell front squats, 3 sets of 8 to 10 goblet squats, 3 to 5 sets of body weight Bulgarian split squats on each side. You did that a couple of weeks, your legs, they'd be looking good. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, get a membership. It helps me make content like this for you. If you're sick of all the BS in the fitness industry, help me make it real again. I will give you the most real content you can imagine. So subscribe, get your memberships, and get in the comments and say hi. I absolutely love you guys.